we're really excited about Ambassador 3.0. For the last 2 years, we not only listened to our clients and heard what they were struggling with, what they wanted and how they wanted it. We then went into market and we looked at our competition and understood what they did and didn't have. And we realized where AI is going. And it's more than just an automation tool. It's an orchestration tool. And in order to build orchestration, which is the predictive capabilities of AI, you have to have a leading edge technology. And that today is what Ambassador 3.0 is. And I'm going to introduce it to you. As a marketer, the first thing you're going to want to do is build your audience. What's great about Ambassador 3.0 can connect your existing CRM system or databases into our platform. You can use APIs, Salesforce Managed Package, connect HubSpot, Square, Stripe, Shopify. The next you're going to do is audience activity. This is where you look at your specific audience that you've created and what types of cycles are you going to want to engage them in. A cycle might be a sales cycle, which is net new, a retention cycle, which is your upsells, cross-sells, or it might be an advocacy cycle, which might be your testimonials, case studies, reviews. All three of them are super critical in building an end-to-end customer engagement and retention platform. Most of our clients start with just net new cycles or referral cycles. We do have clients that quickly grow into those other two cycles. But you're going to be looking at things like share links. You want to have referral attribution. One critical piece that we have added in, which has been extremely influential for our existing client base, is journeys. You now have the ability to build customer journeys directly into our platform. And a lot of our clients, where they start is they take their existing journeys that they have in their sales, retention, and advocacy cycles and replicate it right here. Because that's all referral is it is a replication of your existing cycles that you have. It is not a net new. It's just a new channel of taking advantage of it. We also have orders and products. You now have the ability to drive down and give specific incentives or specific structures around an order or around a specific product. You don't just have to do it to refer your company. You can do it down to the order or the product. Programs and campaigns is where you're going to start the entire building process. We look at things based on programs. So a program might be affiliate, referrals, loyalty, reviews, surveys, and then you build campaigns underneath that. Our goal at Ambassador is to actually have you as the client build multiple campaigns. You can either have evergreen campaigns, which just runs continuously, or one-off campaigns where you can run tests, run promotions, do specific seasonality. Much like Google Ads, we want you to run multiple campaigns simultaneously and constantly iterating and editing your evergreen campaigns. We have a phenomenal automation tool. This is your typical workflow. Shows up much like your CRM systems or your marketing flows. Very easy to create it. You can do it based on completed tasks, sending an email, webhooks, update status of rewards. There's a ton of flexibility in here when it comes to automations. We also have loyalty. Our loyalty is that retention cycle. That retention cycle allows you to upsell, cross-sell, and engage those customers that you already have. So we not only have loyalty tiers, but we also have loyalty badges. And then those badges are actually based on tasks. So you can have your customers engage by refer someone, leave a G2 review, have a customer reference, leave us a case study. All those can reward your customers with points or other initiatives or rewards that then they can build upon to make them more engaged. We have phenomenal marketing assets. You can drop your marketing assets in here so you can keep your customers or keep your influencers or affiliates on brand all the time. Pages and widgets. This is how you engage your existing customers. One of the great things about Ambassador is we took the top widgets and we turned them into templates. You now don't have to come in and think, what's the best practice? We have a library here for you that you can choose from enrollments to shares to referred coupon codes, welcome messages. There is a lot here. And as we learn from existing customers, we continue to add communication channels. We are really excited about communication channels, because it is going to be the first place where you are going to see Hero. Hero is our AI orchestration tool. In the coming weeks, you will be able to have Hero write recommended emails for you based on your ledger data and market ledger data to piece together the most personalized and communicative email sequence that's going to impact your customers to bring them back to engage. This is going to be the baseline of where you will see Hero throughout the platform. Hero is going to not only do it through emails, but through analytics, through recommendations, through personalization. So we're really excited about this. But in regards to emails, we do have an entire email platform available to you where you don't have to go to your marketing team anymore. And it's not just centered around referral. You can send emails out of, hey, we haven't seen you in a while. Hey, you haven't come back and bought anything. This becomes a very powerful tool for you as an individual team because you no longer need to wait for your marketing team to send it out or approve it or engage. Rewards and payments, this is a huge improvement from where we were at Ambassador 2.0, but also what the market is capable of doing. We have gone out and we have actually created what we call reward vaults. Reward vaults give you and your financial team the flexibility to be able to create rewards based on campaigns, or you can have multiple reward vaults for one campaign. It makes it easy. It makes it seamless. It's organized. It's there. You can fill a reward vault. You can shut down a reward vault without affecting a campaign. And those reward vaults have rules. You can have a catalog, and then there is the entire vault that you can actually set up. Cash, non-cash, gift cards. There's a lot of power here in our reward vaults. Next is our performance center. These are our dashboards. These dashboards give you the ability to see what's happening across your programs. They are the same dashboards from Ambassador 2.0 so that you don't see as much of a change, but we are creating a next iteration, which is going to be powered by Hero. Hero is going to tell you how your platform is performing within your own data ledger, but how your platform is performing to the market. And that is going to give you the insights and the clarity of what you should be doing differently to make your sales, retention, and advocacy cycles more successful. That wraps up the demo, and hopefully you can see why Ambassador is so excited about Ambassador 3.0. The flexibility of this platform finally puts the power back in the brand's hands. They now have the ability to create an effective and efficient marketing ecosystem. It's not one-off referral, one-off advocacy, one-off review, loyalty. It is a centralized ecosystem. That's the power of Ambassador 3.0, and we are just getting started. And with Hero AI as our orchestration tool, this is going to allow you to do more with less while reducing your cost in that marketing and sales line item on your P&L.